Okay, this is math lesson part 2 because I got cut off, and when I came back, I thought we could continue, but we couldn't. So we should be at lesson worksheet 111, and we are down at number 5 at the very bottom, and it says show 2 and 3/6 on the back of this paper. So we know that 2 will be represented by 2 hexagons, right? That'll be 2. And then it says 3/6. So think which shape used 6 as the denominator. The trapezoid was 2, the rhombus was 3, and the triangle is 6. So if you would draw 3 triangles next to the 2 hexagons, that would show 2 and 3/6. Okay, I hope that makes sense. All right, now go to class practice 111A. As I look at this sheet, boys and girls, we are all at different points in first grade as far as reading, and I know I've told you this many times. Some of us can read through this no problem. Other ones are still learning to read some of these words, and that is exactly what we're supposed to be doing in first grade. We're supposed to be at all different points. So I want you to attempt to read this, but if you don't understand something, then ask your parent to read it over to you again. But I am going to go ahead and read number 1 for you because I do think it's a little confusing. So do your name, do the 7-centimeter line segment and the date. You're going to measure that line segment. I know you all know how to do that. Let's look at number 1. There are 247 children in grade 1, 291 children in grade 2, and 308 children in grade 3. Now, this is set up a little differently because it has a couple of questions for us. Question number 1, which grade has the most children? So you need to go through and look again. Grade 1 had 247. Grade 2 had 291, and grade 3 had 308. So which one is the most or the largest number? Think about it for a second. The answer would be grade 3 because 308 is the largest number. Okay, then it asks which grade has the fewest children or the least amount of children? Go back and look. Is it grade 1 with 247, grade 2 with 291, or grade 3 with 308? Think about it. Okay, the answer is grade 1 with 247 children. So you would write grade 1. Then this is where it wants part of the information, not all of the information. It says, how many children are there in grades 1 and 2 altogether? So we will write our number sentence. So go back. The information for grade 1 is there was 247 children. And remember, you can write 247 CH plus grade 2, which is 291 children. So you can write 291 CH. So your number sentence would be 247 CH plus 291 CH. And then you would go to your workspace and you would rewrite those numbers vertically so that the ones, the tens, and the hundreds line up. And you will be doing some regrouping with this, and you will get your answer. Okay, the rest of this, I think you will be fine on doing on your own. On number 6, be careful because one of them is money. That means it's going to have a decimal point and it's going to have the dollar sign, and that there is regrouping on those also. Okay, kiddos, I hope that makes sense. And the next sheet we're going to do is class fact practice 111A. And I just want to go over real quick with you that this is multiplying by 5, and you all are so good at this and so capable at this, I know. Remember, multiplication is just dividing into equal groups, so equal groups of 5. So you count by 5s. There is no time limit on this. I want you to work through it and get it correct. You can draw pictures of equal groups if you need to, but I am fully confident that you will get this. Just work hard on it and have fun. All right, kiddos, thank you so much. Bye-bye.